your workplace organized. I don't know how much I could stress this. It will just boost clarity in whatever it is that's in your mind. As a business owner, you have so much in your mind every day that having a clear workspace will bring clarity. It will make you be able to just digest and think correctly. Also, who wants to have a cluttered space that you can't find anything, that you all over the place? That's what's going to happen to your mind. It's going to be so cluttered and you're going to be frustrated and overwhelmed. So make sure you keep your workspace clear, smelling good, fresh,